Hi guys, welcome back. So now here in this session, I'll explain manual check payment. See, I'll tell you guys, generally what happen if you talk about the vendor's payment, right? So payment can be transferred online, and apart from this, even payment can be made to the vendors via check also. So generally, check payment is possible through APP, automatic payment program, right? If we have multiple vendors, we can run the APP. Of course, for that certain configurations are there. That also I'll explain. But in this session, I'll explain manual check payment. Let's suppose single vendor is there, right? So for a single vendor, it means like we can post the payment manually. If we have posted the payment manually for a single vendor, then even the manual check payment also is possible. We can, generate the check manually, right? So how it is going to happen? Look at here. Now, these are the steps which we have to follow. So first of all, whether it is manual payment, manual check payment, or like check payment through APP, in both the cases, what we have to do, we have to set up the check lots. Check lots means the check number or series of number will be issued by bank. Let's suppose, because here I'm quoting example of Tata Motor. So for this organizations, what is happening? So bank has issued a check lot in the sense series of number. So what is happening, guys? We are going to create a lot number first, check lot number through FCHI. How it will be created, guys? Look at here. First of all, use the transaction code FCHI. Okay, and here you can give the company code, then house bank, account ID, click here, edit, and then click on create. Okay, so here we have to specify the lot number. This is the first lot number. So 01 I have given. Check number, a unique number will be given by bank, right? So that numbers are going to be specified here, guys. I'll just give a very simple number, 1000 to, let's suppose, 1999. Okay, next lot number again. So right now, create a single lot number itself, right? Once this lot is like, once it is finished, once we let's suppose use the entire check, then the next lot number also can be created, and next whatever the number series is there, that is going to be assigned here. You can give a short informations here. That's it. If you want to specify the date, you can specify the date. Don't specify this non-sequential, guys. Just press enter. Non-sequential, if you apply a check mark here, then of course, like here series wise, like let's suppose 1000 to 1999 I have given. So here now you have to follow the sequence, right? And non-sequential means generally what happen, we can generate for manual payment, it is going to happen. So here generally what happen, manually we have to enter the check number, right? So no need to apply a check mark, just save it here. So we have like created check lot number here. Now what next? The next one is we have to post the vendor invoice, then we have to post the vendor payment. So just do one thing, FB60, and the company code is TM05. This is my vendor number, and here just I'll post the invoice in past date so that it is going to become overdue. Even you can post in current date also, no worries. Now, so here, if you want to give the current date, that's fine. In that also, there is no problem. If you run APP, then it will be that is fine. Like you can give a past date so that it is going to be overdue. Anyway, so now here, just save it, post this invoice. Okay, TDS is getting deducted. That's fine. So let me check, guys, here. Okay, so 2250 rupees worth of invoice. So go for F dash 53, and here give your bank. One more thing is there, guys. Here, whenever you are going to like, so here, open this, check your GL account number. First of all, go for FS00, right? And one thing you have to do, this is our bank account, right? So click here, not here, and create bank interest, and make sure you apply a check mark here relevant to cash flow. Okay, cash flow, it's an important report here, NFI, right? And whichever the bank and cash related GLs are there, you have to apply a check mark here relevant to cash flow, right? And if you don't apply a check mark here, then sometime it create issues. Okay, it is going to create issue where it will create issue at the time of creating the check informations. Okay, so you have to apply the check mark over there. Now, so let me do one thing once again. F 53. Now I have applied check mark. So give your bank details, amount 2250, right? And here you can give your vendor account. That's it. Press enter, and 15. Somebody has assigned 15, right? So what I have to do, guys, I'll just go to FP and 1, and I'll create a number series 15. Or else if I change the number range, then what will happen? There are certain people, right? They are obsessed with a particular number range only, in the sense they'll give 15 or they'll give 14, they'll give 17, whatever number range is there, they're going to enter that particular number range. So if I change it to 01 or 02, then what will happen? Again, after some time, they will change it. So it's better to create this 15 number range. Right now, still 2024 itself is going on, right? So that's fine. Number range 15. And here, let's suppose, is it possible to specify this one? And 15, is it fine? Yes, it's fine. Press enter. Okay. Now press enter here. So we have created that number range, and just save it, post it. So look at here. There is a document number which is posted, right? Now we have to, what we have to do, guys? So we have posted the invoice. We have posted the vendor payment also. Now we have to create the check informations. Okay, FCH5. So this is a manual check payment. So manually we have to create this check informations by using this transaction code. In APP, of course, a different what you say things are there. That also I'll explain in another session. So first of all, what we have to do, use transaction code FCH5. Okay, and remember this is the document number, right? So whatever the payment document number is there, even the clearing document number will be same. Anyway, so payment document number 15,000. Okay, so go to FCH5 transaction code and press enter. Look at here, the payment document number, automatically it is appearing, or else you can check FBL1N, and from there you can get the payment document number, your company code, fiscal year that you have to enter, and apart from this, house bank and account ID. If it appears automatically, that's fine. If it doesn't appear, then what you have to do, you have to enter it manually. And then here check number we have to enter. Which check number, guys? So the check number we have already okay, so check number is 1000 to 1999. So I'm going to give the first number 1000 itself. I have given a pretty simple number range, guys. It doesn't mean that this kind of number will be there. Of course, a large number will be there, which is given by banks only. So check number, you just enter the check number, press enter, right? Now, so these are the details. System has fetched even the amount number also, where it is coming from, guys. So look at here, payment document number already we have given, right? So this is the payment document number from where the system has fetched the amount, isn't it? Now, so everything is fine. Here we have given what? We have given the check number also. Okay, payment date, that's fine. So what we have to do now, simply we have to save it. There is one more thing, guys. Now here, a check layout will be created by our technical consultant, ABAP consultant, right? And then what is happening? The check printing will be taking place, but here, since we don't have any technical consultant, so I cannot use any check layout right now. But yes, in APP there are certain standard what do you say, SAP scripts are there that we are going to use in APP. But here what is happening? Here we can't do anything. Simply just save it. So now check maintenance. Okay, it is blocked by me. Blocked by me in the sense, look at here. I'm already inside. So come out from here and then press enter. Now look at here. It is created manually, right? Now, so check information is created. You can do one thing. Now look at here. So check register. You can check the check register FCHN in FCHN/N. FCHN already will be there here in the list. Press enter. You can give your paying company code TM05, house bank, account ID SDFC1. So now look at here. Here is the details, right? There is the payment document number, right? Our payment is made worth of this one through check. This is the check number, right? Now, apart from this, even the check informations, you can do one thing. Just come to FBL1N, and here also just execute. Click on cleared item here. And what is my number, guys? That was 15,000. So now look at here, multiple transactions are posted. So just do one thing. Let me sort out. Okay, so this is my payment document number. K is it, right? If you double click here, and here also you can get the check information. Look at here, environment, and here you can get the check informations, right? So here all the informations are there. Your bank fee is there, your bank account is there, house bank account ID, isn't it, payment document number, all the details are here. Even check number is also there, right? Or and apart from this, if you go to FCHI once again, and look at here, click on display. So now the next number, in the sense first number is generated, so the next number will be whatever the current status is there in that plus one, right? So the next number will be generated. If we are going to make like payment, check payment through APP, through automatic payment program, then automatically this number will be generated by system. How it is going to happen, that I'll explain in next session. So this is how the manual check payments are happening, guys, right? And through APP, of course, in FBZP we have to perform certain configurations, and then after what is happening through APP also we can make the check payment. So here, whatever in the sense like whatever activities are required here, including like these are the configuration steps here, setting up the check lots, that is of course configuration steps. But apart from this, these are the end user steps. So these all activity we have done. The only printing part is not possible because we don't have any check layout right now. That's the reason it is not possible. Through APP, I'll just use certain standard SAP script, and that we can assign, and we can see certain what is a print layout also, but in APP. So that's all in this session, guys.